Sixth problem. The volume of a cuboid is 14,400 centimeter cube and its height is 15 centimeters. The cross section of the cuboid is a rectangle. What is cross section? You know the definition. A cut which is made through a solid perpendicular to its length is called cross section. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. A cut is made through a solid perpendicular, and here the cross section of a cuboid is a rectangle having its sides, they gave the ratio 5:3. Find the perimeter of the cross section. The cross section is what? Rectangle. A cut which is solid perpendicular to its length. Okay, that is the definition of a cross section. Read that definition. Now solution given. What is given? Volume of a cuboid. How much they have given? 14,400 centimeter cube. And again, what is given? And its height. And its height. How much they give? 15 centimeters. Now, volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. What is the formula? Length into breadth into height. Volume of a cuboid, how much given in the problem? 14,400 is equal to L into B into 15. So, LB is equal to 14,400 by 15. Cancel. 15 nines. 45 for 135. So, 9 times. Then 9 is remaining. 15 6 are 90. Here 0. So LB, how much we got? LB is equal to 960 centimeter square. Why square means L into B. 1 centimeter is cancelled, that's all. Here centimeter cube is there. Otherwise write it's better. Centimeter cube, here centimeter. 1 centimeter is cancelled and here 2 centimeters. So centimeter square. 960 centimeter square. What is this one? Now we got L into B. Now they have given ratio of sides of a rectangle. They have given ratio is equal to 5:3. 5:3. So we don't know. Let the length be 5x and breadth be 3x. Centimeters, because it is given in centimeters, write that centimeters. Now find area of a rectangle. You know the formula, L into B, that is equal to 5x into 3x centimeter square. 15x centimeter square. Now already we got area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle, how much we got? LB 960 centimeter square we got before, just now. Now compare 15x square is equal to 960, because centimeter square get cancelled. X square is equal to 960 by 15. Now 15 table. 15 6 are 90, 60 remaining. 15 4s are 60. So x square is equal to 64 we got. Now find x is equal to square root of 64. So x is equal to 8 centimeters. Now find length. Length is equal to 5x. 5 into 8 centimeters. 5 8s are 40. Find breadth. Breadth with 3x. 3 into 8 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Now we got length and breadth. They are asking to find perimeter. Find perimeter. They are asking to find perimeter. Perimeter of the cross section. Of the cross section. What is this cross section? We have cut. That is in the shape of a rectangle. So the cross section rectangle. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into 40 plus 24 centimeter square. 2 into 64, not square, centimeters only. Centimeters. So 128 centimeters. Because perimeter now we are adding centimeter plus centimeter will be centimeter only. So 2 into 64 centimeters, that is equal to 128 centimeters. The cross section is, it is in the form of a rectangle. Seventh problem. The area of the path is 6500 meters square and the cost of covering it with gravel 14 centimeters deep. Deep means height only, at a rate of rupees 5 rupees 60 paise per cubic meter. Now what is given means solution given. Area they have given. Area of the path. How much they have given area of the path? 6500 meters square. Area of the path means length into breadth. Area of the path formula is L into B. So L into B they have given here meter square, because both are in meters, meter square, square meters. Now depth of the depth, or you can write height also for understanding purpose, of the path is equal to 14 centimeters. This is in meters and this is in centimeters. So convert 0.14 meters. Able to follow? Why? If you want, you can write in bracket. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 14 centimeters means 14 by 100. That is equal to 0.14 meters. Now find volume. Volume of the gravel for covering the path is equal to, volume is L into B into H. Here 6500 into 0.14 meter cube. So 65 into 14 meter cube. Because why? 2 zeros are there. The 2 zeros when we multiply comes as 14. Multiply now. 910 meter cube. Multiply 14 5 sir 70 0 7 and 14 78 plus 9 91. So 910 meter cube. Now what they are asking to find? Cost. Find that one. Now cost of gravel for covering the path at a rate of rupees 560 per cubic meter. That is equal to 910 into 5.6. If you write 0 or not writing also no problem. Multiply 910 into 5.6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. 0, 6, 9, 10, 1. After one digit, how much you got, miss? Rupees 5096. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the cost of covering the path with gravel at a rate of 5.6 per cubic meter is equal to 5096. Ninth problem. The dimensions of the field are 15 meters into 12 meters, means length into breadth. A pit 7.5 meters into 6 meters into 1.5 meters is dug in one corner of the field, and the earth removed from it, means mud, is evenly spread over the remaining area of the field. Calculate by how much the level of the field is raised. Suppose think this is the field. 15 meters, 12 meters. So this is the dimension. It is in a rectangle shape. 15 meters into 12 meters. Here pit is drawn. This is length, breadth and depth. This is length. Already 15. So half. And this in 6. In 12, 6. This is 7.5 meters. And this is 6 meters. This is dug. And the mud is spread over this remaining part. This is the remaining part, and the mud is spread over this field. Able to follow? So that what is removed from that pit is spread over there. 7.5 meters. Then you'll understand clearly. Then here. Now you can see clearly. Now first we will find solution. Given. What is given? Dimensions of a field is equal to 15 into 12 meters square. 12 6 are 60, 0 6, 12 ones are 12 plus 6 18, 180 meters square. So the area, therefore dimension is the area of the field. How much we got? 100 and area of the field is equal to 180 meters square we got. Now next one we find area of the pit. Area of the pit you find. Area of the pit. Area of the pit means length into breadth. Take length 7.5 into 6 meters square. Now 6 5s are 30. 3. 42 plus 3, 45. So 45.0 meters square. This is the area of the pit. Now we have to find remaining area of the field, because this pit is dug. Remaining part of the field. Remaining area of the field, that is equal to, from 180 subtract 45, you will get 135 meters square. So this is the area. Remaining part is 135 meters square. Now find volume of the pit. Volume of the pit. How much? 7.5 into 6 into 1.5 meter cube. Why? 3 times we are multiplying. 7.5 into 6 into 1.5 meter square. Multiply carefully. 67.5 meter cube will come. Now they are asking to find, what they are asking to find, to calculate how much level of field is raised. So we are going to write the statement. Raise of earth level is equal to, right, volume of the pit by volume of the pit by remaining area. 67.5 by 135. Here meter cube, here meter square. 1 meter is left. Goes 0.5. Multiply properly. 0.5. That is equal to 0.5 meters we got. Change into centimeters if you want. 0.5 into 100 centimeters. That is equal to 50 centimeters. Calculate nicely. 0. Here goes 0.2. If you are having any doubt, multiply. 135 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 2 remaining. 15, 16, 17. 1. 1 5 is 5, 6. So it is, decimal is there. So this 135 can't go in 67. 0 times it goes. Decimal we kept. Then it will be 675. Goes 5 times. 135 5s. 0.5 meters, because here meter cube is there, here meter square is there. Don't think how these two cancel in 3. Meter into meter into meter, here meter into meter. Meter cancel 1. I need not explain, you can understand. It is in meters. If you want to put in meters, you can, no problem. But if you want to change in centimeter, you can change. 0.5 into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. If you multiply 2 zeros, 2 digits, it will move. So 50 centimeters. Therefore, the raise of level of earth in the remaining part of the field is equal to 50 centimeters. Write the conclusion. 10th problem. The sum of the length, breadth and depth of a cuboid is 19 centimeters. and the length of its diagonal is 11 centimeters. Find the surface area of the cuboid. Solution: given the sum of length, comma, breadth, comma, depth. Depth means what I told? Height of a cuboid is equal to 19 centimeters. The meaning of that is L plus B plus H is equal to 19 centimeters. Think this as number 1. Next, length of diagonal of a cuboid. How much they give? 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. Now, length of a diagonal formula is square root of L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 11 centimeters. Square root going from left to right, or squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Square root of L square plus B square plus H square whole square is equal to 11 square. Are you able to follow? Square and square root get cancelled. L square plus B square plus H square. 11 11s are 121. Now, we are having L plus B plus H is equal to 19. This is equation number 1. Implies, here also do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We are having formula. For that purpose, we can do this one. L plus B plus H whole square is equal to 19 square. Here L square plus B square plus H square plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 19 19s 361. 19 19s 361. 9 9s are 81. 8 17 again 19 16. Now L square plus B square plus H square we got as 121. This is equation number 2, you think, that we are substituting here. 121 plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 361. Now 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 361 minus 121. Subtract 121. 0, 4, 2. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 240. What is this formula? This is the formula of surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid formula is this one only. Cuboid formula is equal to 240. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 240. What is that one? Centimeters only? Centimeter square. Centimeter square. Total surface area or surface area both means same only of a cuboid. Write clearly. Cuboid. Can you see clearly? Right, clearly. Eleventh problem. 3 cubes each of side 6 centimeters are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. These are the 3 cubes. Can you see clearly? So these 3 cubes, 1, 2, 3 are joined end to end. 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. So the length became 18 centimeters length. And this is breadth. And this is height. Breadth. Now, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So, solution given. Three cubes each of side 6 centimeters are joined end to end. So that is equal to A plus A plus A. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 centimeters. Keep in mind 18 centimeters. Next, that is length. This is length of cuboid. It became as cuboid. Next, breadth of a cuboid. Breadth of a cuboid. Breadth of cuboid is equal to 6 centimeters only, no change. Height of cuboid. This also 6 centimeters. Now they are asking to find surface area. Surface area means what? Total surface area only. Surface area of a cuboid. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That is equal to 2 into LB. 18 into 6 plus 6 into 6 plus 6 into 18 centimeter square. So 2 into 48, 4, 108 plus 36 plus 108 centimeter square. Add 216 plus 36, 12, 1, 5, 2. 2 into 252. Multiply 2 into 252. Write the answer clearly. (504 centimeter square into 2, 10, 504. Draw the diagram also. That is, this will give you the meaning of this problem. 3 cubes joined end to end. It became a cuboid. Then the measurements are changing. Length will change, breadth and height will not change. They asked here only surface area, we found surface area. If they asked to find still other more, we have to find.